Now, another way to create a contact is through your Gmail or Outlook integration with HubSpot. This is a super easy way to create a one-off contact and track contacts directly from your inbox. So to set this up, first you're going to want to click the gear or settings icon in the top right corner. And then under the General tab, we're going to go to the Email tab. Next, click the Connect Personal Email button, and then we would recommend turning on your inbox automations if you do want HubSpot to suggest follow-up tasks and capture all of the correct contact details. So I'm gonna tick that box here, then I'm gonna connect my email and enter an email address. You can see here in this case, we are going to get connected to a Gmail account, but this is the exact same process if you're using Outlook. Then click connect, and then Google's just gonna walk you through its typical authentication process. So just follow all of the buttons on the screen, click select all to give it permissions, and then continue. Okay, and then we're just gonna give it a moment here to load and verify everything. This is just HubSpot verifying the connection. And now we would also recommend downloading the Gmail extension. This will allow HubSpot to seamlessly connect with your inbox, and it is really awesome for you because it eliminates any sort of double data entry that you would normally have to do. Finally, as you're downloading the extension, you're just going to want to choose which extension type. So again, we're going to go with the Gmail extension for this version. And this is what it looks like to download the Gmail extension and add it to Chrome. Now it looks like we're all set up. This is what it will look like within your Gmail account. And you will be able to see contact details directly from your inbox. Or as well, you can then click directly into the contact record and open it within HubSpot. And then finally, if you do want to create a contact, you can do that automatically within your inbox. Just go to the right-hand side, click Add to HubSpot, and then you'll be able to see the contact record directly from HubSpot. If you do want to add other contact information, just add this to the left-hand side of the contact record and then click Save. That's all for today's video, guys. You have taken the first step to becoming a HubSpot pro, but this is just the start of your journey. If you really want to master contact database management with HubSpot, make sure to check out our blog. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also drop us any questions you have in the comments below. Now, if you feel like you're not seeing the ROI that you were promised from HubSpot, but you honestly just don't have the time to figure everything out, book a free consultation with us now. What we'll do, we're going to review your current setup and then share with you exactly how we've helped other companies like yours to audit, clean up, and then optimize HubSpot. Grab your free consultation using the link in the description now.